Hey, I'm AD Dolphin and welcome to Fact or Fiction. This week I got tons and tons of questions about water. So we're gonna find out what's fact and what's fiction. Hey AD, my friends tell me I have a problem because I don't drink enough water. I know how important it is to stay hydrated, but I swear I drink enough. They say I have to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Is that true? I hope you can help me. Best, Claudia. Claudia, this is fiction. There are so many theories out there on how much water you should drink. The best way to determine the amount of water that you should drink a day is this. You take your body weight, you divide it by 2, and that tells you the number of ounces that you should drink a day based upon your body weight. So therefore, if you weigh 100 pounds, you divide that by 2, you're supposed to drink 50 ounces of water a day. Now, what's 50 ounces? It's probably between about 5 to 6 glasses of water for someone that weighs 100 pounds. All right, I know what you're thinking. What if you work out? You should drink more water. And you're right. Every 30 minutes of working out, you should drink an extra 12 ounces of water. And that's about maybe a cup and a half, maybe a little less. So you should drink an extra cup and a half of water along with the recommended that you should drink a day. Think about it. It all makes sense. You're constantly losing water, urine, sweat, bowel movements. To be honest, it's so important to replenish the body's water supply. And if you don't, you're gonna face things like poor organ function, dehydration, and bloating. Next question. How's it going, AD? I've heard that drinking water helps to flush toxins from your body. It just seems absolutely ridiculous to me. I've heard of drinking apple cider vinegar mixed with onions, garlic, cayenne, and lemon juice to help cleanse the body. But plain old water? Get out of town. Tell me I'm wrong, AD. Thanks, Cornelius. Cornelius, I get it. It's kind of confusing, but actually, this is a fact. I get it. You don't quite understand this, but actually, your kidneys need water to help get rid of the waste in your body. Cornelius, if you don't drink enough water, then therefore your kidneys won't have enough water to filter out the debris. And if you're not filtering out the debris, your level of health is going to diminish. Not only does your kidneys need water, but also the water lubricates your digestive tract so the food can pass through more easily. Failure to hydrate can lead to constipation or bowel irregularities. Look, Cornelius, if you're not drinking enough water, you're going to die. Trust me. All that waste is not going to get out in your system and you're going to begin to poison yourself. You have to drink enough water. Next question. What's up, AD? I consider myself to be a big water drinker, and I say that because I rarely drink juice or soda. I've noticed that my urine has a little hint of yellow. Does this mean that I'm dehydrated? Does a little yellow mean that I need to drink more water? Thanks, Spencer. Spencer, it could mean that, but don't go crazy just yet. This is fiction. Urine color says a lot about our hydration status. Look, if your urine is transparent, then you're probably drinking more than enough water that your body requires. If your urine is lemonade to a light beer color, then you are perfectly hydrated. If your urine is dark yellow, medium yellow, or orange, then you are definitely dehydrated. Look, when your kidneys don't have enough water to remove the waste from your system, it turns around and tells your body to retain the water. In the process of retaining the water, your urine becomes darker, and that's the reason why the color changes. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction, and you know what I'm about to say. Hit the subscribe button. But remember, if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section or you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com.